Is your Windows 10 computer running slow, freezing, or behaving strangely? Most people think the only solution is reinstalling Windows and losing everything. But the truth is, you can reset Windows 10 and keep all your personal files safe. Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tricks to fix problems and make your devices work like new again. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. First, click the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open the main Windows Settings dashboard where system options are managed. From here, you can access recovery tools that allow you to reset your computer safely. Step 2. Navigate to Update and Security. Inside the Settings window, locate and click on Update and Security. This section controls important system features like updates, security, and recovery options. On the left sidebar, scroll down and select Recovery. You'll now see several recovery tools that can repair or reset your Windows system. Step 3. Start the reset process. Under the section labeled Reset, this PC, you'll see a button called Get Started. Click this button to launch the Windows Reset Assistant. This tool will guide you step by step through the reset process. It allows you to refresh Windows while keeping your personal files intact. Step 4. Choose Keep My Files. A new window will appear asking how you want to reset your computer. Select the option, Keep My Files from the available choices. This removes installed applications and system settings but protects your personal data. Files such as documents, photos, videos, and downloads will remain safely on your PC. If you're enjoying these helpful Windows tips, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Promo so you never miss powerful tech guides that make your devices faster and easier to use. Step 5. Review what will be removed. Windows will now display a summary explaining what will happen during the reset. You'll see that installed apps and certain settings will be removed from your system. However, your personal files will remain untouched and safely stored. Carefully review the information before continuing to the next step. Step 6. Begin the reset click. Next, and then press the reset button to begin the process. Your computer will restart automatically and start reinstalling Windows. During this stage, avoid turning off your device or interrupting the process. The reset typically takes 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on your system speed. Step 7. Complete the setup. Once the reset finishes, Windows will reboot and begin the initial setup process. You'll be asked to confirm a few settings just like when the PC was first installed. After logging in, you'll see a fresh version of Windows running on your computer. The best part is that all your personal files will still be right where you left them. And that's how you can reset Windows 10 without losing your personal data. This method is one of the easiest ways to fix slow performance, system errors, and software problems. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Preyo Promo, and turn on notifications for more powerful Windows tips, tech tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.